morning, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. This is Captain Sigurðsson. We're almost ready for pushback here at Keflavik, but we're waiting for two passengers that are arriving from New York, and their aircraft is just coming on the gate, so hopefully we'll get them soon. But we will take off towards east at Keflavik and climb to 37,000 feet, our cruising altitude to Manchester. Estimated flying time to Manchester is 2 hours and 10 minutes. And for those of you that are traveling onwards to Glasgow, we'll make a short ground stop passing Public 10 in Manchester, and we will be 35 minutes over to Glasgow.
Þessi flugvél heldur áfram til Glasgow klukkan 11:35 og þeir farþegar sem halda áfram með okkur eru vissulega beðnir að fara inn í flugstöðina og halda áleiðis í gegnum öryggisleit fyrir tengifarþega merkt transfer area. Og við ekki athygli á því að farþegar til Glasgow eru vissulega beðnir að fara fyrstir frá borði og hafa brottfararspjöld sín tilbúið til skoðunar á fólki með ICS við útgöngudyr og munu það taka þann handfara með sér þar sem öryggisleit mun fara fram áður en haldið áfram til Glasgow. Og regluvarðandi takmörkun á vökva í fullu gildi. Takk fyrir. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manchester. The local time is 20 minutes to 11. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. And the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please remember to take your carry-on items when leaving the aircraft. And please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as the shutters may have shifted during landing. Information on connecting flights will be given by Malaysia's ground personnel at the airport. And on behalf of Icelandair, we do hope you enjoyed the flight with us. We welcome you back in the future. Thank you and have a pleasant day. And ladies and gentlemen, this airplane will proceed to Glasgow at 11:35. Due to UK security directive, passengers to Glasgow transiting via Manchester will have to disembark in Manchester and go through security screening at the transfer area before they rejoin the aircraft. We ask all passengers to Glasgow to disembark first. Take their hand luggage with them and have their boarding cards ready for inspection by the Malaysia's ground personnel at the front of the door. UK rules on liquids and gels limitations apply. Thank you for your cooperation.